What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here today with a new video. This video is definitely long overdue. I know I've gotten a lot of you to ask me to do a tutorial showing how you guys can reuse your hair extensions or wefts or tracks once you make a hot glue gun wig. So I am here today to show you the easiest way that you can reuse your tracks or wefts that you previously used making a hot glue gun wig. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to do this, then definitely keep watching this video. So if you have been following my channel, you guys know that I make a lot of hot glue gun wigs because it is super easy and fast to do if you're looking to make a wig for yourself. So I know I've gotten a lot of you asking, is there a way that you can reuse those wefts or tracks? And you definitely can. So here is the tutorial. So the hair or wig that I will be using is from Asteria hair. If you guys do not remember, I posted a video about this hair maybe like a couple of months ago, back in April, and I made a hot glue gun lace frontal wig using their curly hair. So the only tool that you will be needing for this tutorial is basically your hands. Okay, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to pull those wefts off of that wig cap and still reuse your tracks. And all you need is your hands and maybe a pair of tweezers if you're looking to get every little nook and cranny of the hot glue off of your wefts, but you really won't even need the tweezers really. So there is a product out that is by Salon Pro, and you can get it from your local beauty supply store. It is a super hair bonding remover. If you guys are looking to use a product to remove the hot glue, or even if you make a wig using hair glue, you can use this product to remove all of that residue off of your tracks. But in this tutorial you definitely will not need it. So the first thing that I do is I go ahead and place my wig unit onto my canvas wig block, and I pin it down with some T-pins to make sure that the wig will not move around all over the place. The next thing that I do is pull all of the hair up into a high ponytail, and what I'm going to do is going to take track for track off of the cap. So I'm parting where I laid the first track at, which is at the very nape or back of the wig cap. So you guys can do this in two different ways when pulling the weft off of your wig cap. Is you can pull it from the ends of the track, or you can pull it from the middle of the track. So I'm going to show you both ways. Doing it from the ends, all you have to do is just pull it up. Just make sure that you're pulling away from, so it's like one hand should be on the weft and one hand should be on the wig cap, and you're basically kind of pulling in opposite directions to pull that track off of your wig cap. This is pretty simple and very easy for you guys to do. I usually get done within like a half an hour removing all the wefts off of my wig cap. So when you start pulling the weft off of the wig cap, you may see that some of the hot glue remained on the weft and some did actually stay on the wig cap. And like I stated, you guys, you can either use your hands to pull off the remaining hot glue off of your weft, or you can go in with a pair of tweezers. Now this usually happens when you pull the weft from the ends of the wig cap instead of the middle of the wig cap, but I'm going to show you guys that in a second. So if you guys follow my routine, you will see that the hot glue stays on the wig cap and it does not stay on your wefts, and which allows you to reuse your wefts if you want to make another hot glue gun wig, or if you want to make a wig unit by sewing it. So the next thing that I'm going to go ahead and show you is how you can remove your wefts off of the wig cap by doing it in the middle of, or starting your point at the middle of the weft instead of the ends of the weft. So what you'll do is you'll part the section off, or part the weft off, and then what you're going to do is go right in the middle of that weft and pull it with your fingers off of the wig cap. Once you do that, you will get like a little hole in which you can insert your fingers. Usually I use like my 2 thumbs, and I place one finger down within the hole, and then I start to pull the weft away from the wig cap. Now this way I usually do because most of the hot glue stays on the wig cap, and I really do not get any of the hot glue to stay on my weft. So as you guys can see, my wefts are coming off so easily, and you really do not see any of the hot glue still staying on the weft. So you guys do not get discouraged if you make a hot glue gun wig, or you want to make a hot glue gun wig and you're thinking that you're not able to reuse those wefts, because you definitely can. I do this method all the time. I reuse my wefts. I remake wigs using my old wefts that I made with the hot glue gun. So you guys go ahead, continue to watch the video. As you guys can see, I am the hot glue gun, the hot glue is still sticking to the wig cap, is not sticking to my wefts. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of an update on Asteria hair, which is from Aliexpress. I have no issues really whatsoever with their curly hair. The only issues that I really have is I do experience a little bit of tangling and shedding, but you guys know that you pretty much get this when you wear curly hair. The hair curls very, very well. I only had to use some Aussie conditioner and some water to define my curls, and that was about it. I love the way their lace frontal is. Their lace frontal was very natural looking once I went in and used my tweezers, and that was about it. Make sure you guys check out the first video on this hair so you can kind of see you can easily style this hair any type of way that you want. And if you guys are interested in Asteria hair, I will give you all the information down below in the description section. So right now I'm just continuing to pull the wefts off of the wig cap, and pretty much the only thing that I will be left with is the lace frontal. And with the lace frontal, I did sew it down, so the only thing I would have to do is just go ahead and remove the thread that I used to sew down the frontal, and I can reuse the frontal as well if I wanted to make a new wig. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the description section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more videos, and then also follow me on Instagram at @IAM_ShayAmour. And if you guys want to, definitely give me some video requests that you want me to do in the future, any tutorials or things that you need fixing when it comes to making your wigs. I will definitely make them for you. So as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.